How to add cracked games on Epic Games. Now, first things first is of course you'll need to have a cracked file of any game you want. Now, for example, we will be choosing up on the game Grand Saga. You should have a specific cracked file for this game so that you don't need to download the game. You'll just need to install it directly from Epic Games. Now from your cracked file, all you have to do is just to change the file address. For example, you will be downloading Grand Saga to your either to your local disk or any folders you want. So let's just put it under downloads and just simply move the folder to downloads. So as you can see, it is already moved to downloads. Now, once you have moved the cracked file to downloads, this is the time that we will add the specific game to our library. So let's click on the Grand Saga game since this is our example right here. Now what you want to do is just add this game to your library, and then once you have successfully added the game to your library, now let's pull up the game from the library itself. Now in here, all you have to do is just to click on it and it will directly automatically be installed. And then you'll have to untick all these boxes right here, like the auto update and create shortcut. Now from folder, change it to your downloads right there. So all I have to do is to click install and then the game will automatically be installed without downloading. Now once everything is installed, then you will have your cracked file ongoing right there. So that's it. That's how you add cracked files or cracked games on Epic Games.